An fè pratik tande ak kompran anglais. Nadine's closing routine. Nadine se met restoran. Kay Nadine, ki nan Nord Haiti, kote li travay ak de employé, Marie ak Kevin. Kay Nadine closes at 5 p.m., but their work day is not over yet. As soon as the last customer leaves, Nadine and her staff start cleaning. They wipe the counters, wash the dishes, fix the chairs, and sweep the floors. They prep ingredients for the next day and roll silverware together. Yo chak roule 50 grains, spoons, forks, and knives ensemble na napkin, ki egala 150 sets of silverware. Moment sa yo toujou fun, paske se le sa yo bay blag sou sa ki pase pandan jounen. Sa ki rete pou yo roll on the floor laughing, ou le ate pou yo ria pa an pil. Prepping for the next day takes between 1 to 2 hours each evening. Nadine is grateful to have employees like Marie and Kevin who are just as committed as she is, ki engagé, même jan li engagé, pou yo fè restaurant marché. They also have a lot of fun together. Le yo fin pare pou deme, Marie and Kevin go home. Nadine rete, even later, pita anko, so she can work sou lot aspect business la.